My name is Kokyo Emura. I'm CEO of DENZAI Group. We provide heavy lifting specialty transport service in Japan, South Korea, Singapore, and across APAC region.
Hi, my name is Ville Silvasti. I'm the founder of Silvasti company and I work as CEO. Silvasti is a specialized company for heavy transports and heavy cranes and installation. We work very much for wind power, but also other kind of heavy goods.
From the first day we met with Ville and Silvasti team, we shared common understanding and mindset, how we can provide even more added value for our client.
DENZAI and Silvasti, when they join forces, we can see that DENZAI has the clear crane experience from past, maybe more than Silvasti has. Silvasti has a clear experience from the transportation side, going many years back and having a good and versatile fleet. Joining forces will really benefit overall the client base, and we can do good projects together in a good and sustainable and reliable way.
We provide special transport services, wind power logistics, TCI services, meaning transport cranes and installation, and we also do shipping and port services and large variety of services for the project cargo industry.
DENZAI and Silvasti has a different background and geographically the different market. Now, both companies trying to expand business area and service portfolio to provide complex integrated solution. We see an opportunity to complement each other well.
Today, of course, we are expanding mostly in the Nordic country. What we like to expand together with DENZAI to start have more in-house cranes and manpower for Europe and do more main components changes. And after a couple of years, when we have implemented for the Europe market, we will also like to go globally. Together with DENZAI, we will have the resources and the cranes to expand globally.
I think we share a commitment to safety, to engineering expertise, to doing what's right for the client and taking no shortcuts about it.
By joining forces, let's say the globalization, scale of market becoming way better, we can have more scalable projects, more bankable projects. Not only, let's say, the Scandinavian market, which is our home turf, of course, but also, for example, the Baltic states.
It's basically like a one-stop shop for all the services for the wind industry. From building a new wind farm to keeping an existing one ongoing and operational.
Asia can learn a lot from the European market. They have 30 years of experience in the wind market. But it goes in both ways. Japan brings engineering discipline, strong quality culture, and innovation in engineering and heavy liftings.
Everything from transportation to construction and installation, DENZAI and Silvasti can handle together.